Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video series on transitioning into AI engineering. This series is dedicated to fellow software engineers who want to move into AI or simply add AI capabilities to their existing skill set. Everyone around the world is talking about AI, but in this series, we are going to focus on something practical, how a software engineer can confidently transition into AI engineering. Let me say this clearly. Transitioning into AI engineering is not starting from zero, especially if you are already a software engineer. It's not a career reset, it's an expansion of your existing skill set. And if you are already a software engineer, you're not late. In many ways, you are early because when it comes to building real world systems, software engineers are actually in the driving seat. When I say software engineers are in the driving seat, let me clarify what I mean. If we compare ourselves with AI researchers, many of whom may be pursuing advanced research or even a PhD in AI, their focus is often deeply theoretical. They design new algorithms, improve model architectures, and push the boundaries of AI research. That work is extremely valuable, I'm not denying it. But building real world AI systems requires something more than just the model knowledge. As software engineers, we already know how to write production grade code, integrate multiple systems together, build APIs, design scalable architectures, deploy applications, test, monitor, debug, and maintain those systems. We understand how complete systems work from end to end. For someone whose background is primarily research focused, learning production engineering takes time and experience. But for us, this is already our foundation. For us, AI is not a completely foreign world. It is another technology, one that involves some more concepts like machine learning algorithms, data processing, and model evaluation. And as software engineers, we have done these many times before. A new framework appears, a new architectural style emerges, a new technology becomes important. We learn it, we adapt it, and we grow. AI is no different. So instead of thinking this as a massive career shift, think of it as a natural evaluation. In this series, we will break this down step by step and understand how this transition is going to work in a structured and practical way. I'll be honest with you, I am on this journey too. I'm a software engineer learning AI and documenting everything I figure out. If that's something you want to be part of, please subscribe to this channel. Drop a comment below telling me where you are in your journey. Are you just starting to explore AI or have you already begun learning? Please comment. Every video in this series is one more step forward on this transition. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.